guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chere'l. I am a retired licensed cosmetologist, and this channel I talk about hair tips and give a lot of good information about products, professional products, and just anything that involves hair. Today we're going to talk about how often should you deep condition your hair. Depends on how damaged your hair is or what your hair is lacking. Let's go for the extreme. Let's just say you had bleaching on all of your hair. No highlights, just you slapped some bleach on there, right? I am by no way telling anyone to do what I am saying, okay? No way when it comes to the hair color or the bleaching. Now, let's just say you used a 30 volume and you use some bleach. Please don't do that, guys. Do not do that. Go to a professional for all your hair colors, okay? That's what they're there for. Utilize what is there for you. You utilize your doctor, you utilize your eye doctor, you utilize your estheticians, you utilize your dermatologist. Please utilize these cosmetologists. Let's just say you put bleach all over your hair with 30 volume developer and a high lift bleach. Whew. And you left it on there for, let's just say, more than 15-20 minutes. And you don't know what you're doing, right? So now when you rinse it off, your hair is like, it's almost about to break, right? That is when you need to do deep treatments. You need to do deep treatments on that weekly. That's what I suggest. Now, if you have relaxed hair, every time you shampoo your hair, I would suggest doing a deep treatment. What kind of deep treatment should you do? Now, if you are the person that has over processed your hair, whether it be relaxer or with color. Now we just talking about processed hair. We're not talking about hair that is not chemically altered, okay? So processed hair, if you over processed it with relaxers or with hair color or with bleach of any kind, I suggest weekly deep conditions. Why? Because you need to put back in what you have taken out, okay? What type of deep conditions? Well, there are plenty of deep conditioners, right? There's some that have keratin in them, protein. There are some that have silcomean. I would suggest, this is just me, my professional suggestion for those who have had a chemically treated, over processed hair, I would suggest SALERM Cosmetics, the SALERM 21 leave-in. You can also use it as a deep treatment. They also have deep treatments. They also have a whole line of shampoo conditioner products. I'm going to put the links in the description box down below. I personally recommend this line because I have used this line on previous clients of mine and I have used it on my own hair, so I know specifically what this does to the hair shaft, what this does to the hair. Product that I do recommend as far as like deep treatments. And you can also, like I said, you can use this product as a leave-in. They do have hair repair masks. Their masks are very good. Their shampoo, conditioner, the whole line of products is very good. For those people who are not chemically treated, i.e. just you don't have any type of color or any type of relaxer on your hair, deep conditions for you, I would say maybe once every 3 weeks or once a month. Please visit your local cosmetologist that is licensed in a salon where you can see the license. You can do your consultation with your local cosmetologist.